Enhance or lower the resolution of garments. Use the high-res function to enhance your garments by expressing more realistic and accurate drape. This outfit is currently set to a particle distance of 20, which is the default setting for working projects. When I click on the high-res icon, its property window pops up informing all the properties it will change. One of these default settings changes the particle distance down to 5. For a more in-depth tutorial on all these settings, watch our Enhancing the Quality of Garments for Rendering video, where I go through each of these settings in detail. I'll provide you with this link in the description below. I'll select OK and activate simulation to apply changes. Give it a moment to update the drape of the garments. You can immediately see the improvement in quality of the drape, giving the outfit a much more realistic look. You'll utilize the high-res garment tool typically before you intend to render an image. Select low-res garment to revert the project back to an optimal working state. This one over here allows you to create your own custom resolution properties. All you have to do is change your outfit to a desired property. I'll set the particle distance to 7 to demonstrate. Then all you have to do is click the camera icon to save that setting. If I go back to 20 particle distance and select it again, you can see that it will revert back to 7.